In this example, we're going to be converting from percentages to decimals. The average wage increase for office workers in New Zealand in 2018 was 8%. What is that as a decimal? Okay, so we first of all need to think, what is 8%? 8%. Percent means out of 100. Okay, because there are 100 cents in a dollar. There are 100 centimeters in a meter. There are 100 years in a century. So cent means 100, so 8% just means 8 out of 100. And we need to write this as a decimal. So therefore we need to get our decimal place value table sorted out so that we can see what's actually going on here. So these are our whole numbers, and then we move into tenths, 100ths, etc. And in fact, this question is about hundreds, so we don't need to go further down the table. So 8 hundredths would be where we put an 8 in the 100th column in the table. 8 hundredths. We need to now fill in. We have no tenths, we have no units, so we just have to complete the number. So 8 hundredths is just simply 0.08.